Okay, I'm about to show you what a crazy prairie dog looks like out of the clear blue sky, and I mean out of the clear blue sky. I picked DeeDee up out of her cage because she was yipping to get picked up. Just real quiet, you know, nonchalant yip that she does to get attention and to get picked up. So I pick her up out of the cage, and she starts going crazy, cray cray. That's why she's called Cray Cray DeeDee. Anywho's, she took off running down the hall, and this is where I found her. So, this is where I found her, doing this. I have no idea what prompted this. I swear to God, she just flipped out, took off running, and came over here and hid in the corner. And actually, I had to corner her like this because she was about to get into some serious trouble with some wires and stuff like that. So, but she was yipping like this before I had her cornered like this. And so as you can see, I've put out the shredded wheat. Doesn't do anything. But that's what a prairie dog cornered sounds like. It's okay, sweetie. I promise I'm not going to hurt you. And it doesn't matter. And she has tried to bite me like 17 times already. So I think I'm going to just leave her be. And I think I have secured the place enough where she's not going to hurt herself. And then I'll come back and hopefully she'll have calmed down and started eating the shredded wheat. I love you, DeeDee. I know you're cray-cray, but I love you anyways. And just real quick, okay, I was able to get her, but boy, it took some doing. And this is how I had to capture her. So for those of you that don't know how to capture a prairie dog safely, this would be your best bet, is to get a really semi-thick blanket, at least fold it in half, and then wrap her up in it and make darn sure her head is wrapped up very tightly in it, okay? Because she was able to get her head out a couple of times and tried to bite me at least 3 times. But she's safer this way, and so am I. So now I'm going to just go drop the whole blanket with her in it in the cage.